Hello students, in this video we are going to solve or we are going to discuss about the prelims 4 paper, practice paper for 12th standard geography students for arts and science streams. Okay, so the first 3 practice paper already I have uploaded on my channel. Answer key of the 2 practice papers are also uploaded along with it. Only the answer key of practice paper prelims 3 and 4 is not yet uploaded. Why? Because they are, you need to solve it first, then definitely the answer key will be shared to you shortly. Let us see what are the questions present in this paper. First question is complete the table. So you have the table like functions, then name of the cities from Maharashtra and name of the cities from outside Maharashtra. Okay, so there are some functions and you have to write here. Now transportation. So which cities are very much famous in transportation in Maharashtra, and which cities outside Maharashtra is also famous in transportation, that you have to write. Okay, now Tirupati Balaji is outside Maharashtra, and here the function is what? Worshipping, temple. Okay, so you're going to write, or tourism you can write. Even in the case of Mahabaleshwar also you can write. There are some industries, function industries, we have Macro Industries, Malas Industries. So these are all food processing industries which are present in Mahabaleshwar. So like that you have to fill this table. Next is identify the correct correlation. We have two statements, assertion and reasoning. So the first one is plain region have low density of population, and reasoning given here is heavy rainfall, high temperature, poisonous insect, lack of transportation and communication facilities. So do you agree with it? Both the statements are correct or wrong, that we have to check, and whether R is giving a perfect explanation of A, that we need to check, and according to that you have to choose one answer from the 4 options. Next, A, population of region does not change. Next, birth rate, death rate, migration affects the population of a region. Okay. Next, third one is assertion. In population pyramid, a broad base indicates high number of children in a country. So whether it is correct or wrong, that you need to check. And next, broad apex is an indicator of high number of elderly in a country. Next, when the cities grow, the functions also grow, and reasoning is cities have only one function. Next, assertion, an increased independency ratio will affect the economy, and reasoning is what? Medical cost is high when there are more elderly in the population. So this is about assertion and reasoning. Next is choose the correct alternative. So the first is natural ports. So which are the natural ports? You have options like Kochi, JNPT, Delhi International, Nagpur. Okay. Next is secondary occupation. So you have options like agriculture, industries, trade, banking. So among this, which is primary, which is secondary, you have to choose the correct alternative and match it. Next, the country which is passing through stage 3. So out of all these countries, which comes under stage 3, that you need to write. Next, example of internal migration. Now international migration we have seen in prelims paper 3. Here you have to talk about internal migration. Next, tertiary activities include dash. So you have to write which amongst all these 4 options will be included in a tertiary activity. Next question is complete the chain. Here we have 3 columns, column A, column B, column C. So you just have to compare all of them and match them out. Okay. Then we have next question is give geographical reasons. First is population increase because of transportation facilities. Is it true? Then what are the reasons behind it? If transportation facility is good, then will it increase the population? Why? You have to explain. Next, migration is not always permanent. So do you agree with it? Then you have to explain why. Next, geographical diversity is responsible for trade. So definitely the physical factors, the diversity, different things are going to affect the trade. Next, population distribution is uneven. So this is also true. Why it is uneven, that you need to write. Next, hunting has been banned. Now we all know that many animals are getting to an extent. We the species of them are very rare. So because of that, in various countries the hunting is already banned, and India is one of them. Next, factors like literacy, poverty affects the regional development. So yes, definitely it affects. It affects the GDP, it affects the economical development. Ultimately, that comes to the regional development. Next is question 3. Distinguish between. You have to write the difference between nuclear and dispersed settlements, secondary and primary activities, donor region and recipient region, as well as mining and fishing. So these are the differences which you need to write. Next is map question. So you have to outline on the world map. The first is Perrier region, then we have Sahara Desert, leading country in coffee production. So which country is it? You need to find. Next, Dogger Bank fishing area. This is very much asked. Many times it has been asked. An important port in India. Even this is important. Panama Canal and North Atlantic Ocean is always asked in the paper. Next, given below in the data about the continent-wise employment engaged in the primary. So a chart is given to you. Looking at this chart, you have to answer these questions. So this is also a new pattern which is implemented this year for your boards. Next is write a short note on. So topic for short notes are pipeline transportation, impact of relief on population distribution, shifting agriculture, skills required to study geography. So these are all the short notes where you need to write the points. Next is read the following paragraph. Now the paragraphs here will be given to you based on the topic which is related to geography. Okay, so you need to write and choose the paragraph. You need to answer the questions by looking at the paragraph. Next is question number 6b. Draw a neat and label diagram. So here the diagrams are relationship of geography with other subjects. So a circular diagram is present in your textbook. So looking at it, you can draw this diagram. Then a circular settlement. So how a circular settlement is. So it resembles like a circle. So that you need to write. Next, triangular pattern of a settlement. Okay, so here also you have to show a triangular pattern. Next is answer in detail. Explain with example the physical factors affecting the location of industries. So do you agree with it? Which are the physical factors and how it affects industries? What is the requirement of industry that you need to write? And last is explain the classification of migration with the help of suitable examples. So here you have to write migration. So it is based on what? Short term, long term, international, okay, या फिर internal, external. So you can write way permanent, temporary, all types of migrations, and you need to give an example for it. So this is all about prelims 4 paper. Please solve this paper. The answer key of this paper will be shortly uploaded. I want you all to practice more and try to solve more. I hope it helps you for your academic revision. Thank you for watching and do subscribe the channel.